like that too much. Hello and welcome. This will be an interesting flight today. We've got winds at around 18 to 20 kilometres an hour. The beach is full of water because the tide's in, so I can't go there, but we're at a park just down on the coast, and this is a great little spot to fly the plane. And although I'm not into UMX planes, I did hear good reports about this CONSCENDO, and I'm going to take it up. This is the newest little glider that's out, and I've also got the flaperons and the spoilerons fitted, although it may not help me today, but at least we'll try it. So this is the maiden flight. Only arrived yesterday. I've set it all up overnight, and today is the very first flight. So we'll see. I don't know about strapping cameras to it. We'll have to wait and see if it can handle this wind first of all, and then we might try a camera or two on it. So wish me luck, everyone. So much wind around, it's really hard for me to check the centre of gravity. I'm hoping that's going to be okay.
Spoilers, flaperon, normal mode.
Safe's on for the first flight. Seems to have a good grip to it, and the right battery's in there, which is a 3-cell 300 milliamp from Spectrum. And let's see how she goes. Where's the wind coming from? Straight across that way, I think. The wind seems to be coming from the west, which is straight out there. Wow. I'll bring her down low so you can see it. Almost hovering there. But we'll try the spoilerons in a moment. Just get her down a little bit lower, and you can see how she's going. See, she's really not the day for flying gliders today. And you can see the chop in the air. It's really throwing it about. Take it up a bit higher and see what happens there. The spoilerons that are on. Probably the wrong day to try this out, don't you agree, folks? You that have the UMX aircraft, especially this little CONSCENDO. And we'll try the flaperons. That's the flaperons on now. Can't see any difference. We're going to have a very still day to try these. So here it is, just hovering. Just hovering, hovering, hovering. No power on it whatsoever. So it's a good day for just surfing in the air. Slope soaring, as they say. Taking him right off now to bring it down. Boy, you need a bit of skill to fly this today. Okay, let's bring her in and see if it'll take a camera. Nice and grassy just here, so it's pretty good. Bring it around again. Not too much power I'm using. I know I can go fast with the bigger battery in it, but I'm not going to change that today. Just a gentle little fly today as much as I can in this wind. Here we go. This little patch here. There we go.
Motor on.
Well, here's the camera placement. I've got an 808 32 17 gram camera, the lightest I have. So we'll see how it handles with this. Moment of truth. Oh boy. Well, she's up. Take her over towards the beach. She seems to be handling that camera okay. She's up there fairly high at the moment, but you'll be seeing it through the eyes of the camera, the onboard camera. Okay, let's bring her in and try another position forward. She handles it quite well with that weight on it. Look, she's coming in really nicely. Just needs that extra bit of weight, I think. Look at that, it's going much better compared to what it was before. There you go. I'm impressed with that. Now I've got it forward. Same position. That centre of gravity seems to work quite well. And it's just forward, so you'll get the prop wash in that, I'm sure. Ooh, on the road. There you go, that's the end of our flight for today. We will have it up again very, very soon. It did hit the road very hard, so it's a robust little glider, and that's the only two parts that broke, so I'll fix those this afternoon, and the next calm day we'll take it up and try another camera. But it didn't like that camera position on that particular flight. Never mind, we learn and we aim to show you what happens on YouTube. Thanks for watching everyone, have a great week.